Hola chicos, hoy es martes el 2 de marzo de 2021. Hoy tenemos para empezar, por favor, practica tu Quizlet 5.2 por 5 a 10 minutos. Después necesitas mirar la lección para hoy, ¿sí? Y tu tarea es una invitación. Pues vamos a empezar con una revisión, ir a infinitive. Near future tense, okay? Una revisión, that means a review. So we're going to review this really quick. If I'm talking about the near future tense, I'm going to conjugate ir, which is voy, vas, va, vamos, vais, van. So if I want to say yo, it's going to be yo, voy. That's my ir. Add the letter a, and then my infinitive is what I need to add next. So voy a comer patatas. I am going to eat potatoes. Yo voy a comer patatas. I'm going to eat potatoes. What if I want to say you? To conjugate ir, vas, add the letter a. Now I need an infinitive. So what are you going to do? You're going to go for a walk. Tu vas a pasear en el parque. You are going to go for a walk. Finally, one more. What about ellos? First thing, I conjugate ir to the ellos, so that's going to be van a. What are they going to do? Van a beber jugo. They are going to drink juice. So notice, again, voy, vas, va, vamos, vais, van. These are what I need first for my near future tense. Then I add the letter a. Then I need my infinitive verb that ends in an AR, an ER, or an IR, okay? Quick revision, we'll use that for our homework tonight. Today, chicos, we're going to jump into 5.2. That's not the page view I wanted. Here we go. Unit 5.2. So today we have una presentación de vocabulario. It says, hola, soy Elena. Vamos a dar una fiesta. Now first, this is a conjugation of ir, this is the letter a, and this is an infinitive, okay? Ends in an AR, ER, and IR. So we know this is the near future tense. Vamos is the nosotros conjugation of ir, so we're saying we are going to, and dar means to give. So vamos a dar, we're going to give a party, una fiesta. Porque es el cumpleaños de Manuel. Cumpleaños, again, means birthday. The word año means year. So cumplear is like to complete. So the completed year, cumpleaños de Manuel, pero es un secreto. Shh. ¿Sí? Antes de celebrar, antes de means before. Antes de celebrar, hay que limpiar la cocina porque está sucia. So we're saying the kitchen needs to be cleaned because it's dirty. Hay que is just kind of a way to say it has to be done. Sucia, that means dirty. So here they're going to give us a bunch of different infinitives of things to do to prepare for a party. Cortar el césped, cut the grass. Darle de comer al perro. Remember, darle or dar means to give. So we're saying to give to the dog. Le is an indirect adjective pronoun. We'll learn about that in the future. To eat to the dog. So give the dog something to eat. Barrer el suelo. We can see here, lavar los platos, sacar la basura, take out the trash. Limpiar, to clean la cocina. Acabamos de limpiar la cocina, pero todavía tenemos que trabajar. So we're saying we just finished cleaning the kitchen, but we still need, tenemos que, remember, tener que is like shows obligation. Do you remember that from the first semester? So we're saying we need to work. Todavía means still, so we still need to work. Toda la casa debe estar limpia. All of the house must be clean. Hacer la cama. Remember, hacer means to do or to make. So we're making the bed. Planchar la ropa. We saw this in one of our tongue twisters. Si plancha plancha con cuatro planchas, con cuantos planchas, plancha pancha. Okay, that was just talking about someone named Pancha ironing with many irons. So planchar means to iron. Pasar la aspiradora. See? Looks like he has a kind of an old-fashioned vacuum there. Más vocabulario: abrir, buscar, invitar a, recibir, salir, sí, and traer. Remember, this is a sí without an accent. Sí without an accent means if. Sí with an accent means yes. Mi papá quiere ayudar, to help, con los quehaceres, pero no cocina muy bien. Prefiere poner la mesa. Okay? So this is cocinar. That means to cook. You can remember that because cocina is the kitchen. So you cocinar en la cocina. So my father wants to help con los quehaceres. That's like chores. Pero no cocina muy bien. He does not cook well. Prefiere, that's the el conjugation of prefiere. Prefiere poner la mesa. He prefers to set the table. Son las 4 y los invitados van a venir a las 5. Los invitados are like the people who are invited, or like the guest. Again, this is a use of our ir a infinitive. We have the ellos conjugation of ir, the letter A, and then an infinitive. Venir means to come. So they're going to come at 5. Papá pone las decoraciones. So poner means to put. So here it's actually meaning to put the table. How we would translate that in English is to set the table. But notice we're using the same verb both times. Poner la mesa, to put the table. Poner las decoraciones, to put the decorations up. Y Fernando envuelve un regalo para Manuel. Envolver is meaning to wrap. El regalo is your gift. And el papel de regalo is the gift wrapping. Okay, last one, chicos. Cuando Manuel llega, remember llegar means to arrive, todos dicen, sorpresa. Yo canto, feliz cumpleaños, y mis padres bailan. If you've ever heard the song Bailando, Bailando, that's a very famous song in Spanish. That just means dancing. So we have la fiesta de sorpresa, los invitados, cantar, bailar, Fernando, or no, Manuel. Dicen is say. So decir is the verb of to say. So far we've learned hablar, which means to talk. This section we're actually learning decir, which is to say. So chicos, I'm not going to go through all of these with you. One thing I do recommend is if you go to your the book, which I've linked on your Canvas, I'm pretty sure. Let me check really quick. Yeah, the online textbook, if you go to page 272, you can just click on the video DVD and it will show you a little video that introduces these words. I think that's good for you guys to hear because, again, it's just people speaking in Spanish, but you also see the visualization of what they're doing. So, highly recommend you watching this video on your online textbook. But for us today, we're going to just kind of get familiar with this new vocabulary. So what I want us to do is, if you click una invitación, it says silencio. Vamos a tener, again, this is a conjugation of ir, the letter A, and then an infinitive. Vamos a tener, we're going to have una fiesta de sorpresa para Mateo. Es un secreto grande. So we're planning a surprise party for Mateo. You are in charge of the invitations. We're inviting 5 people, 5 personas, to prepare for the party. We're inviting Pancho, Mayra, Juan, Angelica, y Alba. So you're going to create one invitation using the near future tense, which is all that we've talked about today, right? Ir a infinitive. That tells each person's duties to prepare for the party. You can use page 291 to get some good infinitives. The page we were just looking at is 272 and 273. But if you go to 291, here's all of them listed out, Spanish and English, so that should be good. Your invitation must include the activities for 6 people to prepare for the party. So for example, you could say, Yo voy a poner la mesa. Pancho va a limpiar la cocina. So remember, you're giving all of these people activities, including yourself. 15 vocab words and phrases from page 291. And each one in blue counts as 1. So like lavar los platos, that's 1. Hacer la cama, that's 2. Cortar el césped, 3. Parar el suelo, 4. See what I'm saying? So each phrase counts as 1. Please decorate the invitation of some sort of manner so it looks nice. And then many uses of the near future tense. And again, that's ir a infinitive. Okay? So it shouldn't be too hard. Hopefully you're able to get creative with it. And we'll keep working on our vocabulary. Alright chicos, that's it for today. Buena suerte y hasta mañana.